I want you to show how to create the textures for the 3D models with ChatGPT. We can do it faster and easier. So when you open a new task in ChatGPT, you need to teach him and tell him what you want to do. So I will paste the text that I prepared. You see now he's trying to understand what I need from him. The next step is to paste the image. So you go in a Google or other browsers and just type the text. For example, we will try to make a Brutalism building style. So I choose this one. Now I need to make a screenshot. Copy, go here, paste, and also you can answer on his questions. So 2K is enough, only base color for now. Flatten lighting. You need to mention the flatten natural lighting because he will remove all the sun shadows. We don't need to have sharp shadows for the texture. Let's go. Let's see what he will create for us. Really good result, I must say. Now we need to save image. Let's copy our image here. And now we need to go in a 3ds Max or other 3D software. Okay, so now let's start creating 3D model. So I add the human model just for the scale. You can create box or plane. Let's create plane. So we need to import our texture. Let's change the gamma. For better visibility of the textures, click right mouse click here and texture map size. By default, it's like 128 and it looks very bad. We can go, I will 800. Okay, now let's scale it up. This must be good. Edit poly. Ribbon modeling. Twist loop. If you're not using Swift loop, I highly recommend. It's like a quick slice. Yeah. But much comfortable to use. Also, you will need to add the UVV map modifier. Let's now detach. Move it here. Okay, so now we need to copy UVV map from here to this model. And you see, it's keep the same sizes. So we need to do this because when we will start modeling, after when we will start move the vertex or add other sides of edges, if we click this button, this UVV map will always be correct. Let's Control C. Okay, let's start. You can press Alt 1, it will activate Swift loop. And now we need to add edges. I will do only on this top side. If you need to move any edge, for example, if you have a bigger window or extrude places, this is why you need to have UVV map. Have this button always on. Without UVV map, it will move the texture. Disactivated, I can select edge and move. So now I want to push windows back. When you choose polygon, UVV map works with polygons. And you see all these textures on this place are incorrect. For this, you can copy, convert it, paste. It will paste the UVV map. And now we can choose any parts, Alt Shift, and move with the mouse. Let's say I want to push this part. Alt F1, Swift tool activated. Choose polygons, Alt Shift, and move. So that's it. All other parts will be created with the same method, and then you just can copy like that.